our participants to come here and walk the ramp, and our judges will rate you. Okay, now it's time to introduce our judges. First is Mr. Ethan Parker. Big round of applause to Mr. Ethan Parker. He is an international model agency, Parker Models. Thank you, Ethan, sir. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion, please, sir. Thank you. Next, we have Neeraj Khanna, branding and consulting expertise. Mr. Neeraj Khanna. And you know, there is a very famous dialogue in Hindi of Shatrughan Sinha saying that जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राख कहते हैं, जिस बारूद से क्या बनता है?
शोला.
जिस बारूद से बॉम्ब बनता है something. No, I'll change it. जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राख कहते हैं, जिस बारूद से फैशन बने उसे प्रसाद विद्यापा कहते हैं.